I was assigned question number 5 on section 2.1. On question 5 we were given two matrices, matrix A and matrix B, and it wanted us to compute the product AB in two different ways. In part A, by the definition, where AB1 and AB2 are computed separately. So starting off with AB1, I just took matrix A and I multiplied it by the first column of matrix B. That's where the 3 and the negative 2 comes from here. Then I took 3, the first variable in the matrix, and I multiplied it by the first column of a matrix A to get negative 3, 15, and 6. And then I took negative 2 and multiplied it by the second column to get negative 4, negative 8, and 6. Then I added the results together to get negative 7, 7, and 12, and that is AB1. For AB2, I just took matrix A again, but instead I multiplied it by the second column of matrix B, which was negative 2 and 1. And I started by multiplying negative 2 by negative 1, 5, and 2 to get 2, negative 10, and negative 4. And then 1 times the second column, which was 2, 4, and negative 3, and added those together to get 4, negative 6, and negative 7, which was AB2. And finishing off part A, to get AB, we just combine these two together to get negative 7, 7, and 12, and 4, negative 6, and negative 7. Part B wanted us to use the row column rule to compute AB. So the row column rule, I take the row of A, which was negative 1 and 2, and then I multiply it by the first column of matrix B, which was 3 and 2. So I have negative 1 times 3 and then plus 2 times negative 2. And then that was the first spot in the matrix. And then for this spot I use row 1 again, because it's in row 1, but this time the second column of matrix B, so negative 1 times negative 2 plus 2 times 1. And then for this spot, we're now in the second column, so 5 times 3 plus 4 times negative 2. And then for the second row, in the second column, we have the second row here, so 5 times negative 2 plus 4 times 1. And then for the third row in the first column, we use the third row in the first column, so 2 times 3 plus negative 3 times negative 2. And then the third row, second column, 2 times negative 2 plus negative 3 times 1. And then simplifying that, you get negative 3 plus negative 4, which is 7, or negative 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. 15 plus negative 8 is 7. Negative 10 plus 4 is negative 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7. And that is part B.